Hey guys, we have an HP monitor here to unbox. We have an EliteDisplay E233. Let's get to it. All right, first thing we got is a stand. Really good looking stand. It's one of those you just clip the top of the monitor on and then lay it down like that, and it clicks right into place. There's a little click holder right here, and all that does is just snap right into place. Ever want to release it, you'll just raise up on the little button here and pull it up, and you have a quick release. So really snazzy way to put it all together. Then there are cables. When they come out, they run right through the bottom of this dock and then just come right out. So works out great. Then we have a bunch of cables, several cables depending on how. There's about 5 different ways you can hook this up. You've got an HDMI, you've got many other kinds of cables, a VGA monitor cable as well. So your choice, about 4 different cables, only one of which you'll actually use. And then you've got a power cable. Alrighty, lots of foam. Then we have the main attraction, 23-inch monitor, really well packaged. We have a quick setup guide here on the front. It's telling you all the steps. So 1 and 2 are just putting the cord and the stand against the monitor for that clip-on procedure I just explained a minute ago. Then you have step 3 is either the display port, the HDMI, the VGA, or the USB. Those are several of the ways to connect. And then you can do a maneuver on the monitor where you can raise or lower the top, or you can flip it to do a vertical kind of display here. So let's take a look. It's very lightly taped on here on both sides, and we see this beautiful front, just a wall-to-wall version of this monitor here. It looks great. Then on the back we have a small piece of tape, reflective tape, that comes off of this for the HP logo. All of the inputs are down here at the bottom, really out of sight. And you have a power cable insert here. And then you've got the different ways you can attach the video over here. And then on the back, all your disclaimers. Then on the side, there's a couple of inputs there for some just thumb drives. And so on the front, we have a real sleek design. And so let me take a look and show you real quickly how easily this back turns on and clips onto this. There's only really one way to go, so it's really difficult to mess this up. But the 3 prongs go in the 3 holes right here. And then you lift it up, go down, clicks into place, and then you're all set. You have this beautiful monitor. And let me take a look and see if I can show you the front view of how this is gonna look on your desk. It's a real sleek design. Stands up really well, and of course your cables, as we said, are going to come out of the bottom and go through this little port that they built here, and then down out of the way. So that is how we're going to unbox this HP monitor. Hope you had a great experience watching us on this unboxing. And we won't show you the setup, but it's really easy. Just those 2 cables, one for the power and one for the video.